Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And today we have a new Toyota Tundra here, 2024. Now everything we're doing today, we're going to be doing quite a few things for this Tundra. Now unlike other things we've done in the past, everything we're doing this vehicle, the customer actually brought to us and we're installing it for him. So that being said, before we get going, that is our telephone number. If you have questions, because a lot of things on this video, you might not see it on our website, so you might have to call us on that, and we can go ahead, because a lot of these things we still sell. But that being said, come on, Buddy. By the way, Buddy is our master tech. He's going to be working on a lot of stuff on this Tundra. We already did the cover for him, and what did we do? Well, we did some wheels. Actually, we didn't do the wheels. We did the tires. So we'll start with the tires. So these are Micky Thompson's. These are the Baja Legend X EXP. Now these should be 35s we put on here. And generally if you go with a little taller tire, you do need a little bit more lift. Now the lift on here is the Westcott, am I saying that correct? Okay, it's not a brand I normally sell here, so I'm not as familiar with it. It's like a 2.5 front, 1.5 in the rear here. Now come over here, let's go over a few other things we did. Now there's also, besides the lift, and if you want, buddy, can you get your camera in there? I mean, it's not a lot on this lift since it's a very small lift, so you're not going to see it as much. But we figure we'll put the camera in there anyway. Oh, by the way, what you're going to see here is the DV8 here. And you can see right here and here. That's your wheel well liners and stuff from DV8, and those are quite nice as well. Now, there is spacers on here, wheel spacers. And if you look in here, you can kind of see them. It's a 1-inch spider Trax. And of course, it brings the tires out, wheel and tire out, gives it a little better look and stuff. And actually, a lot of times it does help with clearance as well. So you got, of course, a higher lift. You got this bringing us out, gives it a very nice look to this truck. This customer's been doing a lot to the truck. He's did a wrap, and he brought quite a bit of stuff that's probably going to take us a week or two to get it all done. This is the first step here. So we got the tires we put on with the spacers, the lift kit, the DV8 fender liners here. We put those all in there. That's step one. So you'll be seeing a lot more of this truck coming up because Buddy is going to be taking around back after this video and start working on the other stuff. Again, if you see something you like, give us a call. We can go ahead and get it for you, install it for you. Go ahead, Buddy. I pull back so you can see how sharp this is looking. I like these tires. Of course, Micky Thompson's really well-known brand, and they do give it a nice off-road look. Again, if you like what you see, hit the like button. We appreciate it, and subscribe to the channel. You see, keep up with all this stuff we're doing this Toyota. Thank you again.